Hello everyone, so welcome to this tutorial with Adobe Aero or on Adobe Aero. So in this lesson, we want to see where we can get some 3D models for our project. Okay, so per the requirements of Adobe Aero, you require USD Z files and then GLB files or GLB files. Okay. So let's look at So if you want some free or pay 3D files, you have to go to sketchfab.com. Once you register, you can just search. So in my search, I'm searching for animal cell. Okay, as you see here, I've typed here. So you can scroll down to look for the particular one that we want. So you can select any one. Okay, let's say I want this. Okay, so you can see this is, I can download this. This means I can download this. So let's click this and then let's see the requirements. Okay, so this is the creator, and let's click on download. Then it's going to present us with, so okay, so we can, this model is free. You need to give credit to the author. Okay, so you can copy that and then credit the person. Then these are the file formats you can download. Okay, so let's say I want, let's go with this original formats. Okay, so it's going to load and it will get downloaded. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, so it says zip file. I'm going to open it. Let's extract it. Extract here. So you click it. So you can see is if you have a 3D model software, it would launch it's okay. That's if it's supported, and you can see this what we have here. Okay. Also, we can also use Paint 3D. Okay, to search for our 3D model. So I'm going to close this, and then let's launch Paint 3D. So Paint 3D. So I don't know if Paint 3D is available for Mac, but for those using Windows, we can get some free 3D files from Paint 3D. So let me click on canvas and then let's turn the canvas off. Then let's go to 3D shapes. Then let's click on 3D, open 3D library. And then let's type animal cell. Animal cell. Sorry, animal cell. Okay, so you can see it's fetch this for us. We can click on it. We'll get inserted into our project. So you can decide, let's say plant cell, whichever cell. That's if it's available in the database, it should pull it for us and then we can use it in our projects. You can decide to rotate it by clicking on it. Okay. So remember to always make sure the background is, that the canvas is set, you turn off the canvas. Okay, turn off the canvas. So you can save our project, this particular project, as so let's save as a 3D model file. Okay, so we now have our 3D file. Okay, so you can see some files that I've downloaded. Okay, so these are PNG files that I've downloaded from PNG like X. Okay, and this is the 3D file we just downloaded. We just downloaded from Paint 3D. You can launch it by clicking on it. You can see it's open. Okay, so these are the two places you can get like 3D files. Okay, there are several of them, but let's stick to the two. Then if you want some files, okay, like this files, you can go to freepik.com and then you look at the license and then once you are satisfied with whatever is provided, you download it. We'll actually be using this in one of the lessons. Okay. for the animal. So let's see what we want to do with this. So we'll need it for something like this. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay, so let's see where we can get GIF files. Okay, so GIF files, you can get them from Gipher. Okay, and then let's see, mitochondria. Yeah, so GIF files. So this particular one, or any of them, any GIF file, because we will learn to animate them. Okay, using the trigger function in Adobe Aero. So that should be it for this particular lesson. In the next lesson, we'll look at Figma. Okay, so doing this. Okay, so how to create this particular UI, just so our users can click or read things for something like okay, so for something like this. Okay, so this particular UIs. So we have the text description. You can close, enable, and disable them. Okay, so we'll do that in Figma. Okay, thank you.